Non-competitive inhibition is a style of inhibition in which we have an allosteric site that can accept an inhibitor. This allosteric site is different from the catalytic site where our substrate normally gets its reaction catalyst. Because of this allosteric site, we have multiple complexes that we can form because our inhibitor binding doesn't influence whether or not our substrate will bind. So if we have our enzyme, a substrate, and inhibitor, we can actually form the enzyme inhibitor complex. We can also form our enzyme substrate complex and our enzyme substrate inhibitor complex. As long as we have the enzyme substrate complex, we can form our product. Now, remember that our allosteric site means that if our inhibitor binds, it doesn't influence whether or not our substrate is going to be able to bind. Our catalytic site is still open for the substrate and actually has the same affinity for that same substrate. This means that our Km actually stays the same. However, our Kcat and Vmax decrease. This is because when we look at our group of enzymes, that's how we develop our Vmax. We're going to see that some of these enzymes aren't actually functioning because they're being inhibited. This means that our overall Vmax is going to decrease, and since our Kcat comes from our Vmax divided by enzyme concentration, we see that our Kcat decreases. So remember, Km stays the same, Vmax goes down, Kcat goes down. Hope this helps.